In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Zoom. While Zoom doesn't have an official built-in ChatGPT button, you can still connect the two using a no-code automation tool called Zapier. This lets you automatically send Zoom content to ChatGPT for summaries, insights, or follow-up questions without writing any code. Here's the big idea. You'll create a workflow in Zapier, called a Zap, that starts when something happens in Zoom and then tells ChatGPT what to do with that information. Two popular examples are, when a Zoom meeting ends, send the transcript to ChatGPT to generate a clean summary, or, when a new Zoom recording is ready, analyze it with ChatGPT for key takeaways and action items. As you build, remember that transcripts and recordings depend on your Zoom plan and settings, so make sure the features you need are available in your account. Start by going to Zapier and creating a new Zap. Choose Zoom as your trigger app. From there, pick a trigger that fits your goal, such as new recording completed or meeting ended. This tells Zapier exactly when to run. Zapier will pull in a recent sample from your Zoom account so you can preview the kind of data that will flow through, like meeting titles, timestamps, and transcripts when available. Next, add your action step and select OpenAI, which powers ChatGPT. This is where you define what you want ChatGPT to do. You might prompt it to produce a concise summary with bullet-style sections for key points, decisions, and next steps, or to extract themes, risks, and questions for follow-up. Keep your prompt clear and specific, and feel free to reference fields from the Zoom trigger, like the transcript text or meeting topic, so ChatGPT has context. You'll be asked to connect both your Zoom and OpenAI accounts to Zapier. This is a secure, one-time connection that lets the apps talk to each other. Once connected, run a test. Zapier will send sample data from Zoom into ChatGPT using your prompt, and you'll see the exact output. If it's too long, too short, or missing details, tweak your prompt and test again until it sounds right. When you're happy with the result, turn on the Zap. From now on, every time your chosen Zoom trigger fires, ChatGPT will automatically generate the output you defined. Name your Zap clearly so you can find it later, and keep your prompts simple to start. That's it. Your Zoom to ChatGPT workflow is live and saving you time after every meeting.